Ocean Squad! What's good, y'all? It's me, 360 Wave Process Rashad, and today I'm about to cut my hair. Simply said and simply put. Let's do a quick unrag, but wait. Before I unrag, I have to talk to y'all for a bit. I want to let y'all know that I am writing a book right now. The book is for beginners. And it's a 360 Wave book, of course. And I will be releasing that book soon, all right? More details on that. And it's also gonna come with a follow-up book that I'm not giving too much information on, but I did mention that I was gonna write this one a minute ago. It was about 3 years ago. It was in 2017. When I mentioned that I was gonna. That's all I'm gonna say about that one, man. I don't wanna get too much on that one. Beyond that, Ocean Squad, it's been a minute. So, I wanna unrag real quick, show y'all what my 360 waves are looking like. I've been keeping them on lock. I'ma let y'all know. I'ma keep it real, Ocean Squad. Y'all already know I always keep it real. My brushing has been on the lower side of the spectrum. What I mean by that is that I have not been brushing that much, but with that being said, I can let y'all know that I have been keeping the waves maintained. Now, I made plenty of videos about how to maintain your 360 waves, how to maintain your 360 waves in the summer. So that's kind of basically what I've been doing. The summer is just about over. We about to go into spring, Ocean Squad. So we're gonna need that spring method, huh? We ain't never did a spring method. So, hey, be on the lookout for that, y'all. Yeah, quick unrag, let's do it. Zoom that camera in. Hold up. Y'all seen that Thug Wavy video? Man, I checked my channel and I seen Thug Wavy posted a video talking about some his channel too. Thug Wavy, man, when I see you, man, we're gonna have a word. Just know that, y'all. All right, when I see Thug Wavy, we're gonna have to chop it up. All right, so it's a quick unrag session right now. Make sure y'all notice that my waves are not that visible because I'm woofing. Now my 3WP do-rag did lay it down, so it is gonna look cool, but also keep in mind I don't have any products in my hair right now. I'm gonna brush with my 3WP club brush right here. The top looks good. If I go around to this left side, my left side always looks pretty well. I always keep that side laid down pretty nice. We're gonna move over here to the right side right here. The right side, I could use a little, I ain't gonna say a little, I need a lot more brush work on this side to make it look cool while I'm woofing. Let's go back in and show that side over. The back, man, I have not been taking care of the back waves. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, Wave family. This what they looking like. Hold up. Gotta show this side right here. All right. The crown area, I have not been using my C&B brush lately. Like I said, most of my brush work has just been maintenance brush work. But the waves are still in there nevertheless. I'm still 360 with it. Once I finish cutting my hair, we're gonna see my progress. I believe, and I'm gonna make this prediction right now, Ocean Squad, I believe my waves are gonna look real nice when I cut it. When I cut the waves down, when I cut the hair down, the waves are gonna pop. I'm gonna put some oil in it, some avocado oil. I might even go ahead and put some almond oil up in there, man. We're gonna see how I'm feeling after I finish cutting. I'm gonna hit myself with a taper this time, y'all. Y'all seen my last haircut video? The haircut came out awesome. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. But I did make a few mistakes, and that is what made me not like the haircut 100%. I spoke on that at the end of that video. If you haven't seen that, go check that video out. It's the last video I posted about cutting hair. This video is not a how to cut your own hair video, Wave family. So I'm gonna speed through that. And then also what I want y'all to do is boost the like button one time. And let's get into the haircut part of this video and see what the results are looking like. Gotta make sure my beard come out clean. Gotta make sure I keep the line up straight. and make it even straighter than it is right now. And keep this line right here looking good. And this line. And hit this back taper and make that come out clean too. All right, Ocean Squad, let's get into the video. I forgot one thing. Also gotta make sure this line right here come out at a nice curve, and then transition into cutting under the beard. Make sure that come out good so that the jawline can, or the beard formation, I don't know, the shape of the beard can be a shape that I like. Now that can get kind of tricky, but it's just going with the flow when you cutting and edging up the beard. So let's do this, Ocean Squad. Like I said, boost the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. 360 Way Process Rashad. Let's go, y'all. All right, Ocean Squad, I just finished the cut. I was gonna hit myself with a taper right here, and on the backside, but I didn't have enough time. I felt like it was gonna take me way too long, and I just wanted to end the whole haircut. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looked like in a moment. Check my new do-rag. Clean. I don't even know what color this is. Let me know what color you think this is by commenting down below, Ocean Squad. I'm gonna drop this one soon along with another color that's similar to this one, but a little bit darker. And also, which other one? Oh, that other one that where one at? I got one right here. Oh, these the two that I was just talking about. All right, bet. So I'm gonna drop this one and the one I'm wearing. I was supposed to drop this one in August. I said so on Instagram, but I gotta take a picture of this one so that it could, so I could put it on the site. And then also this one, y'all seen this one in the Atlanta Wave Check. I handed these out, but I never put these on the website. These are the sky blue silky do-rags right here. Well, this is just one, but yeah. That one, that color, and then that other, it looked kind of like maroon. All right, and then this one right here, this is like a light, bright sky blue. Like, I don't know what color this is, but this one clean. I ain't gonna, look at this, silky, shiny. All right, Ocean Squad, I'm gonna drop all three of them at the same time, so stay in the loop. What else? Oh, the haircut. All right, so check this out. I cut two with the grain, Ocean Squad. I didn't go lower. Usually I go lower, but I'm about to really show y'all these results. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, just a little tiny bit like that. The beard, I didn't go too in on the beard to make it super crispy. So as you can see, I got the beard. It's still a little stubble up here. It ain't sharp, but that's cool because it makes me look more rugged, you know what I'm saying? So that's cool. And this side is also similar. It's not trimmed down, it made real sharp and crispy. All right, I'm gonna do that maybe next time I cut my hair or shave, all right? What else? I already mentioned I didn't do the taper. Let's go ahead and unrag. Let's see. Y'all ready, Ocean Squad? Come on, you know the waves is still there. Hold up, where the mirror at? Let me grab my hand mirror. Got that 3WP softy right here with the handle. This one available on the website right now. This is what the waves are looking like, wave family. They still wavy, even under that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my OG Blue Edition right here. Can't go wrong with that. The crown area is looking cool. I just gotta brush it correctly. I'm feeling this too with the grain, wave family. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Look at this. It look clean. The reason why I like this too with the grain is because my hair look darker overall. Now I do like when I get the one with the grain or the 00 as I used to get when I used those red guards. But I noticed that I get more looks from females when my hair is darker, and so it kind of grew on me. That's the reason, y'all. So, but also I've been woofing more often. Like this whole summer, I was not rocking the low cut, Ocean Squad. I was woofing majority of the summer. So what y'all rocking y'all haircuts at right at this moment? Drop a comment down below. Have y'all been rocking a 1 with the grain, 2 with the grain, 2.5? Let me know. I want to read y'all comments, Ocean Squad, so go ahead and let me know down there. Also, if you don't know what the grain mean, if you don't know, it just means going in the same direction that your hair grow, and that's just simple as put. So that's what that's looking like. I'm gonna zoom in one more time. Super zoom. Gotta brush that crown correctly. You already know I bust my head when I was little, so hair don't grow right here. I don't want to see no new Ocean Squad members talking about some, what's that bald spot right there? Did you plug it? No, I didn't plug myself with the clippers. That's just what happened when I was younger. All right. Crown work right there. I'm over here with it on this right side. Let's peep this. All right, now I'm gonna grab my club brush because I like to go in with my club brush. Just on this right side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the softy, polish off whatever I just did boom, boom, boom. And that's what's up, Ocean Squad. So this is my haircut right now. My lineup, as I can see, looks straight. I didn't push it back. I just left it nice and natural. And yeah, wave family. Drop that mirror. Yeah, boost the like button, subscribe. This is what I want y'all to do. Join the 3WP Wave Family Facebook group and post a picture soon when I make a post in that group. Post a picture of your waves, and then I'm gonna answer those questions in the next video. All right, we keeping the 360 wave process rolling, y'all. As I mentioned, I got those 3 that I'm dropping ASAP, and then I got some new do-rag colors dropping for y'all. Remember when I was live. I don't know how many of y'all are watching this video that was in that live stream, but I was asking y'all what colors y'all want. Somebody was like black and orange, like black with orange stitches, stuff like that. Oh yeah, then Black Silky's coming out soon too. They're gonna be with the new drop. I don't want to give too much info up, Ocean Squad, but just know I got that coming through. New brushes. Shh, we're not talking about that. All right. Yeah, Wave Family. Just time to get back in the flow of making videos. Spring method, all right? Hey, stay tuned. Deuces.